And then for number 8, so again, what I want to do here is complete the square. They already actually got rid of C for me on this one, so all I need to do is figure out what I need to add to the left side for this to be a complete square, or a perfect square, I should say. So I take half of 14, so that's 7, and then square it. So 7 squared is 49. That means I need to add 49 to both sides. So I'll have x squared plus 14x plus 49 is equal to negative 73 plus 49. That's what, negative 24? So I know this will factor into x plus 7 times x plus 7, or x plus 7 squared. And also have negative 24 on the right side. So same thing that I did on the last one. Once I have something squared and there's nothing else outside of the parentheses, I want to take the square root of both sides. So on the left, we'll just have x plus 7. On the right, we'll have plus or minus the square root of negative 24. So this is where it's a little bit different than last unit, or maybe the first couple sections of this unit. We have a negative number inside of the square root. So now we know how to handle that. I can get rid of that negative in there by using an I. So I'm going to keep the left side the same, still plus or minus. So all I'm trying to do is get rid of this negative sign, because once I have a positive number in here, I know how to reduce that. So it just becomes I square root of positive 24. And now we just do it like we would normally do it. So we subtract 7 on both sides. So x will equal negative 7 plus or minus I times the square root of 24. However, I can reduce the square root of 24. So let's see, 8 times 3, 4 times 6 is 24. Actually, I'll just write that so you can actually see it. So 4 times 6, and I know that 2 times 2 is 4. So our answer will be x is equal to, actually let me give myself a little bit more room here. X is equal to negative 7 plus or minus 4 is 2 times 2. So 1, 2 comes out. There was already an I there, so I just multiply that 2 times the I, and then square root of 6. So I got 2 answers here. I got negative 7 plus this, and negative 7 minus that. And again, to get rid of the negative sign inside of a square root, we just multiply the square root times I on the outside. That just makes it positive.